My little guest cozy corner. Yesterday, as I was gardening, I had left my little guest far away, thinking it wouldn't turn back. But this is a beautiful morning surprise. My little guest has walked back into another container of mine, and this time it is rain lilies. And I was surprised to find it sitting, sleeping so well, and enjoying its cozy corner. So I'm happy to have such little guest. My little friend, I would say. My garden friend who loves being in the garden. Yeah, it's familiar with me, I think. Oh, oh. Enjoy. Oh, sweet friend, welcome. Sweet friend, welcome. Enjoy, enjoy. It's enjoying, huh? It's feeling happy. It responded so well and beautifully. It's sleeping back. Bye.